Popstar released the album One of the Boys featuring the song I'll Kiss a Girl and Hot and Cold. Pops Fernandez. Oh.
Perry, Katy Perry. I kissed girl, I like that.
K is the chemical symbol for which potassium. Tala, assuming pa.
Uy, alam ni Jonah.
Edison Arantes do Nascimento was the railway of legendary sa... Sino?
Palitada.
Leslie.
Palitada.
Pointed. Ba't dyan? Pointer.
Ano pointed? Si Pele. Pele.
Pellet
Pele.
Almost. Kilala.
Emperor, macaroni, and rockhopper are species of which bird?
Spices.
Penguin.
Ha?
Pinggan.
Which electric type Pokemon is Ash? P. Power.
Ako yan, si Pikachu.
Amin!
Yan, Pikachu.
Who became president of Russia for the second time in May 20? Putin. Oo, si Putin.
Putin.
Vladimir.
Vladimir Putin.
By what common name is American rapper, songwriter
Ano yan?
Armando Perez better known as? Hindi ko kilala. Korean rapper lang alam ko.
Pitbull.
Bot K9. Oo nga, Pitbull. Si Jeff. Isang breed ng Pitbull.
Hindi si Pilato. Oh, Pilato. Ayun o.
Oh!
Violates.
Pilots kasi.
Bakit din
Ay!
Ano yan?
Jack Sparrow,
Oh, yan, oo.
Will Turner, and Elizabeth Swan. Characters in what film franchise? Ano yun?
Si Jack Sparrow.
Anong title? Nung
Movie.
Oh, Jack Sparrow.
Jack
Ako na, ako na, ako na. Ibay na pa ako na dito.
Ibang
Jack
Madali.
Sparrow.
Pirate of the Caribbean.
Ayan. 2, 3, 5, 6.
And 11 are the first 5 of what sequence of number?
Oh.
Yay, yay, yay! Hindi niya alam yan! Paluin mo!
Sakit.
Prime numbers. Yari ka sa akin.
Hindi naman masakit
What is the main peso? Angas! Para sa inyo eh.
All children,
Oh, yan.
except one grow up is the first line of what class of students now. Ala, di ko talaga alam.
All children except one grow up is the first time of what class? Letter P?
Nilipad.
Power Pop. Ay! Pinalo mo na.
Peter Pan.
Islamabad is the capital city of
Yan.
Basic. Basic.
Hindi ko alam eh. pero-
Kosa.
Ay, hindi!
Islamabad?
Pakistan! Ah!
Kilala mo yan, ako maingay. Alam ko yan.
Marilyn Monroe.
Ontas.
Ha?
Ako ontas.
Pocahontas.
Yan, yari ka.
Gigil na, gigil na.
Malikot.
Ay, Roro.
Sunod na lang kaya tayo.
Walang awat ha? Walang awat ha?